Another way of applying Nietzsche would be to look at the idea of Nietzsche versus teleology, logocentrism, and monotheism. So these are somewhat, big words, philosophical words, which try to avoid, but they can be useful here. So teleology is the idea of meaning and purpose in one's life, right? That there's a goal that one looks for, and if one doesn't have a goal, then there is no meaning and purpose. And so monotheism, Judaism, Christianity, Islam, religion in general, uh, history, science, storytelling, everything is usually constructed as something that has a goal at the end, some type of an answer, some type of an essence. Um, and within the Western world, this teleology idea is very centered in the idea of logocentrism, which is an elevation of the word or the text, right? So language and the language that we read in a book gives us access to an answer, a higher level of thinking, right? An essential sort of idea. And of course, monotheism is all about this sort of teleological oneness, this drive for one idea of an essential universal idea. So, this drive for universal, sort of essential ideas, right, or thinking, Nietzsche sees as being the basic structure, the basic operating system of Western civilization. And he sees this as being unhealthy, okay, that this um, disciplining of ourselves in this way runs contrary to our human condition. We can do better and we can overcome this tradition, right, as he says, with his Overman type idea. Nietzsche's literature is looking at, he's in Zarathustra, he's trying to make a philosophical argument, but he's using storytelling. He's using all the stuff that you saw in Intellectual Heritage One, Gilgamesh, the epic, Plato, Parable of the Cave, the Book of Genesis with Abraham, right? So he's using all those storytelling devices. He's using them in different ways, or he's trying to overcome how these traditional storytelling things are done, and he creates a type of negative Socratic effect, a negative sort of Genesis effect. So he's using the structure, but he's using it in a different way to get us to think about things in a different way.